Dear students, I am Pratik sir, Mathematics faculty of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today I am explaining you some proving questions related to the chapter Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. We have already discussed about Euclid's axioms and postulates. Now, related to the axioms and postulates only, we have some proving questions. Let us study. Question number 1 is, if a point C lies between two points A and B such that AC equals to BC. In this figure you can see AC equals to BC. Point C lies between A and B. We have to prove that AC equals to half of AB. Now in this figure it is given that AC equals to BC. AC equals to BC is given. If we add AC both the sides, left hand side AC is already given, added AC. Right hand side BC is given, added AC. Equals are added to equals. AC was given equals to BC and we have added AC both the sides. Left hand side has become AC plus AC equals to twice of AC. Right hand side AC plus BC. See the figure, AC plus BC is together making AB. So in the next step AC plus BC equals to AB. AC plus AC twice of AC. 2 is in multiplication with this AC. Removed this 2. It has come in the denominator of right hand side. AB divided by 2. Or we can write AC equals to half of AB. Which is to be proved according to this question is proved here. AC equals to half of AB. Moving on to another question. In the given figure, if AC is equals to BD, AC is equals to BD, we have to prove that AB equals to CD. Now in the question it is given that AC equals to BD. What we will do, this BC part is common with AC and with BD also. We will subtract this BC both the sides. Left hand side AC minus BC, right hand side BD minus BC. Now see the figure, AC में से BC is subtracted. AC में से BC is subtracted. When you subtract this BC from AC, let us hide this BC part. We will see only AB part on subtracting BC from AC. So it is AB. Now when we subtract BC from this BD part, so BD minus BC, when we subtract this BC from this complete BD part, we will be left over with only CD part. So here is CD. So we have to prove that AB equals to CD. AB equals to CD. Once again you can see AC given equals to BD. We will subtract this BC common part from both the sides, left hand side and right hand side. AC minus BC equals to AB. BD minus BC equals to CD. Thank you.